Hello guys, myself your friend Naveen Quadras. Once again I welcome you to my session. In my previous session, we have learned a transformation of sentences, the meaning of transformation of sentences. Also I taught you some of the tips we have to keep it in our mind before learning this chapter, that is types of sentences, types of conjunction and types of clause. Also, I taught you how to change assertive sentences into negative sentences, how to change negative sentences into assertive sentences. I taught you some of the rules. So, in this session, we are going to learn how to change affirmative sentences into negative sentences, how to change negative sentences into affirmative sentences. Before that, I am going to tell you what is affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences are those sentences which is also called as a declarative sentences, okay, which state any fact or statement. Second one, what is negative sentences? What is interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences we used to ask question. There are three types of interrogative sentences are there. That is WH question, yes no question and question tag. Okay. Now we are going to learn how to change affirmative sentences into interrogative sentences. Okay. We can also say how to change assertive or declarative sentences into interrogative sentences. The rule is the interrogative word, that is WH word, always we put in the beginning. Okay, interrogative word we always put in the beginning. Second rule is, if there is a positive, if there is a negative word in the affirmative sentences, we have to make a positive, we have to make a interrogative verb is a negative. If there is negative verb in the interrogative sentences, we have to make it as a positive in the affirmative sentences. Okay, now let us take a first example. It is foolish to waste time in watching this program. It is foolish to waste time in watching this program. When it will become an interrogative sentence, the sentence will become, why waste time in watching this program? Why waste time in watching this program? It is foolish always changes into why waste time. It is foolish to waste time. Why waste time? This is the first rule. A second one, we could not succeed without hard work. We could not succeed without hard work. Could not is a negative word. Okay, not is there. When it become an interrogative sentence, could we succeed without hard work? Could we succeed without hard work? Okay, there is negative verb in the affirmative. When it comes to a interrogative sentence, the verb will become a positive. Okay, next one, I can never refuse ice cream. I can never refuse ice cream. When it become a interrogative sentence, it will become, can I ever refuse ice cream? Can I ever refuse ice cream? Only the expression changes. Okay, main idea, meaning doesn't changes. Next, there is nothing brighter than hope. There is nothing brighter than hope. In an interrogative sentence, it will become, is there anything brighter than hope? Is there anything brighter than hope? Nothing always changes into anything. Okay, once again I tell you, nothing always changes into anything. This is about affirmative sentences. Okay, affirmative sentence, how to change affirmative sentence into negative sentences. I said you the WH word we always put in the beginning. If affirmative sentence is a negative, the interrogative sentence will become a positive. A third rule, the never always changes into ever and nothing always changes into anything. Now let us come on next fourth type, how to change an interrogative sentence into assertive sentences. Previously we learned how to change an assertive sentence into interrogative sentence. Now how to change an interrogative sentence into assertive sentences. Okay, please pay attention, it is very important. Here there comes many rules. First one, who believe in his tall talk? Who believe in his tall talk? When it comes a affirmative sentence, it will become, no one believes in his tall talk. Who believes in his tall talk? No one believes in his tall talk. Who always changes into no one. Okay, who always changes into no. Who believes? No one believes. Next, is he not wise to agree with the superior? Is he not wise to agree with superior? It is interrogative sentence. When it comes to affirmative sentence, it will become, he is wise to agree with his superior. He is wise to agree with his superior. Okay, the negative word in an interrogative sentence, when it comes to affirmative sentence, it will become a positive. Okay, he is not wise, he is wise to agree with his superior. Okay, next rule, next rule, okay, same rule will continue. If there is a negative word in an interrogative, when it comes to an affirmative sentence, it will become positive. Are you not my friends? Are you not my friends? You are my friends. I'm asking you, are you not my friends? You are my friends. Are you not a farmer? You are a farmer. Are you not a farmer? You are a farmer. Okay, not here it will become positive. Okay, fifth, let us see. Fifth rule is, if the interrogative sentence is a positive, when it comes to a affirmative, it will become a negative. Just opposite of this rule. Okay, can she help me? Can she help me? She cannot help me. Can she help me? She cannot help me. Okay, only the expression changes. That's all. Does she not love me? Does she not love me? She loves me. Does she not love me? She loves me. Okay, only the expression changes. Next rule, I said the anything always changes into nothing. Okay, here I said the nothing changes into anything when it comes to our interrogative sentence. It is just the opposite. If there is anything, always changes into nothing. Is there anything in my pocket? Is there anything in my pocket? There is nothing in my pocket. Is there anything in my pocket? There is nothing in my pocket. And next rule, any always changes into no. Okay, if there is any which always changes into no. Can she buy any car? Can she buy any car? She can buy no car. She can buy no car. Can she buy any book? Can she buy any book? She can buy no book. Like that. Next, I interchange the WH word. Okay, how to interchange a WH word? WH word. I said there are three types of interrogative sentences are there. Yes, no question, which always begins with the helping verb. Second one is a WH question. Okay, which always begins with the WH word. If there is who always changes into no one. Okay, either no one, nobody. Who always changes into either no one or nobody. Example, who has seen the Taj Mahal? No one has seen the Taj Mahal. Who has seen the Taj Mahal? No one has seen the Taj Mahal. Who can do this? Who can do this exercise? Nobody can do this exercise, or no one can do this exercise. Okay, the rule is who always changes into either no one or nobody. Second, if there is who plus not, in an interrogative sentence, when it's come to an affirmative sentence, we have to write everyone. Example, who does not know Vinod? Everyone knows Vinod. Who does not know Vinod? Everyone knows Vinod. Okay, like that. Who cannot do this? Everyone can do this. Who cannot solve this problem? Everyone can solve this problem. Okay, only changes is in expression, not in the meaning. Next, question tag. Question tag is a third type of interrogative sentences. Okay, I said in the question tags there are two sentences are there. One, that is, first one is a statement, second one is a short question. If the statement is a positive, the question tag is a negative. If the statement is a negative, the question tag is a positive. Let us take an example. It will become very clear. It is one of the easy method. Mohan is an intelligent boy. Mohan is an intelligent boy. It is an affirmative sentence. When it comes to a question tag, it will become Mohan is an intelligent boy. Isn't she? Okay, first sentence we will write as it is. We will make changes only in the question tag. Okay. If it is a positive, the question tag will be a negative. Mohan is an intelligent boy. Isn't he? Like that. Okay. We always put contraction. We always use a contraction in a negative the short question. Okay, in the question tag, when we make a negative, we always use a question tag. That we have to keep it in our mind. Second one, my friend is not beautiful. My friend is not beautiful. When we changes this particular statement into question tag, it will become my friend is not beautiful. Is she? My friend is not beautiful. Is she? Okay, here we will not put contraction. Directly we will say, because it is a negative, the top one is a negative, the affirmative sentence is a negative. Okay, we will make changes in the question tag. The question tag always must be a positive. Is it clear, friends? So only this much rules are there. Please learn clearly so that this particular formula, particular sentences are very easy for you. Okay. First of all, once again I tell you how to change an interrogative sentence is affirmative sentences. First I said if there is who, we have to write no one or nobody. Second rule is that if there is not in an interrogative sentence, when it comes to a positive, the verb will become a positive. Okay, when it comes to affirmative sentence, the verb will become a positive. I give you example. Are you not a farmer? You are a farmer. The third rule, just the opposite. Okay, just opposite. If there is interrogative sentence is a positive, when it comes to affirmative sentence, the verb will become a negative. Example: does she not love me? She loves me. The fourth rule, if there is anything, it will change us into nothing. Okay, if there is anything, changes into nothing. Next, fifth rule, any always changes into no. Any always changes into no. Then same rule, a who always changes into either no one or nobody. Yeah, same rule. Next, sixth rule, who plus not. If there is who and not, both things are there in the interrogative sentences. When it comes to affirmative sentence, it will become everyone. Okay, who plus not always changes into everyone. Next, about question tag. Question tag means if the affirmative sentence is a positive, the question tag we will write as it is, only we will make changes in the short question. Okay, here we have to put comma and we have to write a negative question. If there is a negative affirmative sentence in the question tag, we must always write as a positive. Is it clear, boy? Is it clear? Okay, if you have any doubt, you can comment or you can direct call me. I will clarify your doubt. Thank you. In my next video, I am going to teach how to change a assertive sentence into exclamatory sentence, how to change a exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. Thank you. Wish you a happy and joyful day. Bye bye.